Hello, thanks for stopping by. ShedTorque is a channel that I want to dedicate to all things motorbikes. I teach engineering for a living, so I have a natural interest in not only riding motorcycles, but the science behind them too. The idea is to grow the channel and include some ride outs, some bike projects, some equipment reviews, and of course, the odd geeky science video. And I promise not to bring along my tweed patch jacket with my jeans just yet.
Do you want to go to war, Malaki?
No.
Because we could go to war.
No.
I'm for real. I'm for real.
I have owned, dismantled, rebuilt and ridden various different bikes since passing my bike test back in 2007. I decided now would be a good time to build the shed and share some of my interests with the crazy world of YouTube. Please though, take a second to hit subscribe. Subscriptions allow me to build the channel and bring more content more often. You can also find me on Instagram and on Facebook under @ShedTorque. So thanks again for stopping by, and I really hope you enjoy the videos as much as I do making them. Ride safe. See you soon.